G'day guys, welcome to Boomer Food Down Under. I'm Bev Varlan. Here's my CDP Ivan. Say g'day Ivan.
G'day.
So what we're going to be doing today is a really awesome dish we do down here at Balada at Mantra Lawn. It's a stunning beetroot gnocchi we do here with a beautiful brown butter that we use, that we culture in the restaurant. So, without further ado, this man's going to cook it for you.
So throw that butter into that pan, get it sizzling, get it sexy, you've got to keep it jiggling. Gotta keep it jiggling, that's the magic. Yeah.
Okay, here we go, next thing, walnuts straight in there, fantastic. The natural oils in that walnut is going to combine with those beautiful fat particles in the butter, make it really sexy. Starting to foam up now, so now Ivan is going to throw in the next ingredient, which is the beetroot gnocchi. So, what's in the ingredients? Potato, eggs, beetroot.
Beetroot, salt, pepper, bit of nutmeg. If you want to go crazy, add a bit of cinnamon, add a bit of star anise. Combines really beautiful.
So you can see in there she's starting to get that nice brownness. So all that crunchy, nutty flavour of the butter is going to come out now. Alright, next chef.
Next is sage.
So fresh sage, again, it's another thing that we're playing with oils, isn't it? So we're getting the oil from the butter, getting that oil from the walnuts and the oil from the sage to combine some really awesome flavours in there. You can see the bubbles in the butter are reducing, which means we're getting that beautiful nutness come through. So you tell me when she's ready to come off, chef.
15-second chip. Just want a bit more of that brownness, that nutty flavour, because in this dish in particular, the butter is very, very important. Should taste nutty. If that's it, then you know your butter's ready.
Straight in the centre, the beautiful beetroot. Now, you can see the sage in there and the butter and the walnuts. They're really awesome. Look at that beautiful colour and the beautiful flavour coming in there. Geez, Ivan, I think you've done this a couple of times before.
Only twice.
Only twice? Jeez, wow. Okay, so we've got some target beet, or chogia beet, that he's going to put around there, which gives that really good flavour, colour again. And then you've got that, you know, the cooked beetroot in the gnocchi, and you've got that crispness of that fresh beetroot going on. There you go, a beautiful beetroot gnocchi, brown butter, walnut and sage. You know what they say, Ivan?
What, Chief?
When you're hot,
You're hot.